Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install VMware ESXi. VMware ESXi is enterprise class type 1 hypervisor developed by VMware for developing and serving virtual machines. So let's get started. First of all, you have VMware Workstation installed. Let's click on it. There it is open. Now create a new virtual machine. Next, as I already downloaded the ISO image, so I'm gonna go and insert it. If you don't have the ISO image, then go to the VMware website, log in and start downloading the type 1 hypervisor. So this ISO is already came here. Now click next. Here you have to choose the VMware ESX option here. Click next and choose the location where you want to install it. Let's suppose I created a folder here. Now our path has been set. Click next. Here let's suppose I give a 200 GB size. Click next. If you want any hardware modification or customization, then select this option, customize hardware. Let's suppose I increase the RAM size. Suppose I give it 12 GB RAM. Finish. Now everything is ready for installation. Let's start and power on this virtual machine. Now setup file is loading. Now all the setup file has been loaded. It's gonna install. VMware kernel loaded successfully. Now it is asking for the next step. Press enter to continue this process. Accept the end user license agreement. For this I have to press the F11. Scanning for available devices. Click enter to continue. I'll leave it as it is. Here I'm gonna put the password. Click enter. F11. Now our ESXi version 7 is installing. Wait for the process to finish. Now our installation has been completed. Press enter to reboot this virtual machine. You can also install this EXI on directly the physical machine. Now our EXI is installed successfully. To access this EXI, for this we have to open the Chrome browser. After the EXI is loaded, this EXI will give us the IP address generated by himself. You can also change the IP address to static. Here we go. See, IP address generated automatically, and it is a DHCP. You can also go to the F2, press F2, go to the network setting, and there you can change the IP address to static. So open the Chrome browser and put this IP address in the browser. Okay, click on advanced and proceed to this IP address. See, give the username, and password, enter it. Here we go. Our VMware EXI is running successfully. There are different options there, different stat you can see. Here you can see the virtual machine options, storage, network section. On the right side you have the CPU, memory, it is using the storage device, and this is the hardware configuration. In the next video I will show you how to install a different virtual machine in this EXI, and later on we will connect how to get connected by through vCenter. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.